trade Nintendo GameCube repair guide. It is recommended you use a power screwdriver, a set of small precision screwdrivers, and you will also need a special Nintendo bit tool. Gamecube Disassembly. Turn the GameCube unit upside down and using the special Nintendo GameCube bit tool, remove the 4 screws located in the corners. Flip the unit upright, open the disc lid, and simply lift the casing cover up and off. To remove the controller ports, release the clips on both sides and pop the controller port forward. You will then have access to the port cables that you can easily remove by pulling out. Then unscrew the 4 screws in the front to remove the 2 metal heatsink clips. Remove the 2 screws on both ends and lift out to remove the cooling fan and power switch. To remove the top assembly, you'll first need to remove a total of 12 screws. Start by removing the 3 screws from behind the cooling fan. Remove the back panel and you will find 4 more screws that you'll need to remove. Turn the system around, and there will be the last 5 screws you'll have to remove to take off the top assembly. Pull the assembly off to get access to the laser. Turn the assembly over and remove the 6 tiny screws located around the metal plate. To remove the main PC board, there are another 6 screws you'll need to remove. Once the screws are removed, just carefully lift the board up and out. Underneath you will find 2 more screws that you'll need to remove to take off the bottom metal plate in order to gain access to the secondary power supply. To remove the secondary power supply, unscrew the 4 screws in the corners and then simply lift the power supply out.